Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Chainlink, seeing what's going on. This looks kind of primed and ready for a short. Let's go ahead and double check a few key factors, but we are below the cloud. Definitely looking like a decent shift in momentum here. Okay, so again, this could be a good opportunity. We'll double check that. And if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I'd love to teach people to trade, and I hope you can learn something today. We're going to take a look at some liquidity levels here and kind of verify a few things. Quick congrats to our community members here for our Premium Plus group. We took some nice profits from Matic, Chainlink, and Solana. Took a small loss there from Solana, but made it up with, of course, AVAX and a different Solana trade too. So these are all shorts. And the one long effectively got stopped out. Again, this is an automated trading bot that I have that's available running signals all day, every day, basically. So it's a really cool experience. Thanks again for the awesome feedback to my community. So what I want to talk about here with Chainlink, though, is a key factor for us is, first of all, actually, let's look at liquidation before we dive into the charts. Because it's important to recognize there's tons and tons of longs that could get destroyed here soon at about 1750. Now, am I screaming to the high heavens that we're going to see the price drop that low? Not necessarily, but it does imply that there is a point of interest there for the whales and the bears, okay? So just something to kind of understand, that's where the 7-day forecast is at there, or more so, sorry, is just more so a look back, not a forecast. And if we look at the monthly, we can see, again, low $17 range as the next heaviest concentration outside of 1620, okay? So that's generally what we're looking at there for Chainlink. So is it going to drop that low? Not necessarily. Just because we're below the cloud doesn't mean it's going to just break bearish, right? We want to look at a few other factors too. And there's a good chance the daily time frame is still going to be very bullish. So let's go ahead and double check that and work our way down. Again, it is absolutely. Can you still short in a bullish market? You can. You just kind of got to play it with some tighter profit targets. And in this situation here, we can see the price action is very, very high above these moving averages. Okay, so we got some ways between now and then where the price action could essentially pull back. Taking a look here, of course, at the MACD, starting to see a slight divergence, but nothing crazy there, still bullish. Stochastic RSI is swinging down, RSI is under 70, and money flow index still high. So MFI being high is really the only thing here that would be throwing a kink in the chain, so to speak, where it essentially is letting us know that we still have a lot of volume, and high volume provides high price. Okay, so again, is the price going to just drop from here? Not necessarily, but we have a few indicators letting us know the price could pull back in the immediate future, or perhaps it already has, right? This is the most recent high here at about 1870, like I mentioned yesterday, is that level that was supposed to have bounced. It didn't bounce, so now we want to look at our key fib levels here at 1845, which is roughly right where the price action's at. So if the price closes here today at about 1840 or lower, there's a decent chance we could see further downside. Now let's take a quick look at this here. The 4-hour time frame is testing the 20-day SMA. That's usually a trend setter. So if the price is trending down, we want to look at that, because once it breaks below that level, it could imply we're going to be on the wrong side of the tracks for a little while. And what I mean by wrong side of the tracks just implies that this initial bullish uptrend is showing signs of weakness. That's all it is. It's not necessarily you're going to short to $5 and be a total 100x leverage short. That's not exactly what I'm saying here. Always low leverage, low position size, but in this situation, we can see that we're at this point of contention where the shift in momentum is occurring. We're not under 50 on the RSI yet, but if we don't get the bounce here, we could very well see the price continue lower. Stochastic is kind of telling us it's getting closer to its bottom potentially, but with the money flow index coming down, leads me to believe the price could continue with it. MACD is also diverging pretty strong on the 4-hour as well, so just giving us confirmation the price could continue lower. Okay. Taking a look at all that in combination with the hourly being below the cloud here for the moment is a very strong indication. So again, lagging span is free and clear, conversion lines below the baseline, and we have the price underneath the cloud for roughly 3 to 4 hours. So those are 3 out of 3 reasons why I would consider a short position on this coin. And you take that in conjunction with a lot of other indications on the charts. While it's not definitive, it's certainly looking like the price wants to pull back. So if Bitcoin can continue to recover up to 44K, we will see Chainlink probably kind of come back up again. There's a solid chance that Chainlink will come up here to sweep this liquidity level and potentially reject out there and continue lower from there. Okay. So again, a lot of reasons why Chainlink is looking like it's weakening, and not like I'm leaning 100% towards a short. I just think in here at this point, short makes a little bit more sense than a long, considering the market and just how funky it is. And why not hedge some longs that you have with some shorts just to be on the safe side? Okay. Again, it just depends on what kind of trader you are. So trying to get too crazy again, please. don't overthink what I'm telling you here. I'm not just saying you want to short to the ground, but it does look fairly weak, and I think there's a decent chance we could see this come down, especially if Bitcoin retraces just a little bit. Okay, it's proven to do very poor while Bitcoin's doing very well. That leads me to believe that the price is very overextended and is due for further correction. Okay. So now we have confirmation, it may be a consideration for a short. So just throwing it out there. If you are new to the channel, again, thanks for joining me here. Quick little heads up, we are partnered with Bitunix. Link down below to register for this. Awesome rewards if you use my link to register. But they are also a no KYC, no VPN exchange. That's why we use them. So it really helps out in the big picture. So thanks again, Bitunix, for an awesome opportunity for our members. Deeply appreciate you. And I thank you as well for just being an awesome part of my life too. Those who are part of my trading university, academy, signals group, community, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, all that stuff. Thanks again for just being parts of my life. I greatly appreciate it. Awesome working with you. Hope you have a great rest of the day, folks. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.